battle may wur la imala ya wur pang pa zanchang yila polo amimi ko gwenu mimi. Don't you think that it is a gene karsanya la kamane rap me rap zamatuma no gam suma kache biare ban gam tank pa zum kache kwa abatahlala at the end of the day tebe mi ami yinum sajeni nanglebe kalala ban ma karating men pin ato yelma briefly be shadan nang Sagani TV
Unya kanerbo United year Kamane. The thing was like a planting. Kaman
lakang ba
no. This is not a planting.
Okay.
Masa. But wanna say in Chile. Man say yell ba me. Ma wunda pu mago video ke ne buku tum te 3 hours na katra pa nyang taba. Ton buku che won 3 hours ma to. Understand ya bu. Katman 6 hours. Because this was started around 10. So in sa calculate mo kama halti yen na tuntu na la around 3 be 2 pulo be half 4 pulo ba. Understand ya. To ngun ku rap ngun 3 hours ma 9. Kabe chila 6 hours ma tama. Because ma mi na habi ku tum minu za 6 hours. Within 3 hours ma tamu yen na lu rap na ma. Kame kana tak pole. Nzanga chana borsha. So it wasn't a planting. Understand ya. Like hal man yersa mi. Ne kamane at the end of the day to saben rape. No, so na kuchang Sagani.
Wow.
But say chanite no. I went there to prove myself. Into changmana kamane, into prove kamane, kan never bang kamane. This is not a child's play. Ka dema shimbo. Understand?
So rap niya kanya sa kunang kacha.
Rap niya kaman sa nang ni mana kacha. Understand? Like,
so agbanang la disappointed.
Very disappointed. Very disappointed.
Tell me what happened.
Because tazakuma la tishirkana. We are coming to perform. Understand ya? Bara nan shama nigga wa wunche kama don di won film because o mi dan de say nan dan so tundar nan sham
bina san dwane
yon mi min za
very interesting
yon ote yi tamalo pas so ke to be understand so like he's okay because dan sa chance ma understand ya but trust me dan de say kai nyala like tish rap ma la humma saydi
yela pam sanana yela pam sanana
no problem. So we are still on the line. So I'm giving him I'm throwing invitation program sharing at Wedes Canteen tell me ma o come na if I'm bound Sagani TV man chance ma the chang ta I give you the invitation man try me invitation man na kuzama ho in bun so one canting me gila like so one canter rap chapulu nyama kan kanata no rap karze ya like come on da ko so first second na ka so kam gbabra chang de chang shama Firdause ne to ku me gila karayan so ko reply ka so kan gbable de chang de no adan woma no is total wag de chang in yela me dandal yen resign like rap game fu ne ka ku blan rap halen yen nan da gila ba singing kan da kana rap ya.
So when you are called back Sagani ni kanata nang laban ma an chang. Because sometimes the tonang lampun dang chihak para like
the punchi lamang para kanji.
Wow.
So diko pa kamane
another platform.
Like maybe, but I'm ready to do it all the time because neto yerango kaso file kamane. The mala next one shall in kanama in switch. No. So even the coaching para maza yule, I'm telling you from today that halbi kuze ne biana tesa lab manata nangle. Firdause the balance is ready to go there.
Rap mbiela kanya rap kabga mai kama
abiane yawon nan bawum da rap da zuwa baba mile
yama
da zuwa kaba zang ma asaban jele adon ke hala rap yana malepula ago fuck it up agel yenan kan tole kurugo tole nyama tonje biambar na kan zang rap tafsa ti
yama
man nya gana ngora pesto aji nguntum wa kaba bonda no change
yama
ne to rap kada pogun no change nguntum wa kaba bola borji amana ta bol ja tole ban nan ati
anya biyo
ibi so ibo guma kan to on rap ngoma nya rap makabaga ye mai
lala amane DM le iranan freestyle shilara nan le damba sane la freestyle ma meld phone na really enjoy it kato la freestyle ma kan bara
hello rap pohorena rap ngodi ma halle de kosame rap pohorena
nyama
hello pohorena nyama I don't know nothing to
ngwa ko to na tole ba na ka azala toy o yulu bonde Firdause the baddest boy. Firdause one wuna you manglam bala.
Yeah.
Kalizan the baddest boy man.
Yeah.
Entabele. Firdause Mala show coming up inshallah. Now he's on Tinyavia Pai
On the 3rd May.
on the 3rd of May.
Yeah.
Inside Waters Canteen.
Yeah.
Atamnang la program Radaj Pikona.
Yeah.
Kashabnang